Hello everyone, Akash Singh again with the third video of the chapter component of food. So we have seen why we need food, what is the function of different kind of food, what is the content or component of food, and what is the individual purpose and or role of the component, that is nutrients. Then we have also seen carbohydrate and various types of carbohydrate, that is simple and complex carbohydrate, as well as test for carbohydrate too. Now here we will move ahead and we will see a pyramid, okay, which consists of the food items, which contains all the things: rice and alternatives, 5 to 7 serving per day; fruit vegetable, 2 serving each per day; meat and alternative, 2 to 3 servings per day; then fat, oil, sugar and salt use in small amount. Means actually these are the content or the capacity what we use to eat daily. So all the different kinds of food with their nutritive value is present here. You can look it look at and just see whatever the type of nutrient this food have. Okay, the second one is protein. Second nutrient: proteins perform the very essential function of helping our body grow, repair itself. These are found in food items such as milk, pulses, eggs, meat, etc. Food containing proteins are called bodybuilding food. Protein are needed for growth and repair of our body. Means what we are what what we are getting from it, that the bodybuilding food means proteins helps building of the muscles, and that building of the muscles is responsible for the complete body setup. So these are the things you should understand first. So protein are body building food. Protein is an important component of every cell in the body. Hair and nails are mostly made of protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissue. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. So our nails here is completely made up of protein. Our enzyme, hormones, and body chemicals are also protein. That is, these things are most important. Enzyme, hormone, and other body chemicals are protein. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscle, cartilage, and skin and blood. That is why it is called as body building food. Understood? So this part is very important. Then next is test for protein. To test whether a food item contains protein, first we need to grind it into a paste or powder form and add 10 drops of water. To this mixture, when we add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution, after a few minutes, if the mixture turns violet, it is indicative of presence of protein. Means if we have to take mixture of copper sulfate and caustic soda, 10 drops, and then we have to add that in the paste of protein. If it is turning violet, it is indicative of presence of protein. Understood? Next is fat. Fat are also responsible for providing energy to our body. In fact, they provide more energy than carbohydrate. The body uses fat as a fuel source. Fat are essential for absorption of vitamin A, D, E, and K in body. Butter, cheese oil are all example of fat rich food. Okay, so fat ultimately provide much energy as compared to carbohydrate, but carbohydrate is instant and fat gets absorbed. Body uses fat as fuel source. Fat are essential for absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K in the body. So means if you have to absorb the vitamins A, D, E, and K, you should eat a little bit of fat. Then taste for fat. So to taste fat, take a small quantity of food item and wrap a piece of paper around it and proceed to crush it. After removing the paper, allow it to dry. If you see a film of an oily patch on the paper when holding it against light, it is proof that food contains fat. To taste fat, take a small amount or quantity of food item and wrap a piece of paper around it and proceed to crush it. After removing paper, allow it to dry. If you see a film of an oily patch on the paper when holding it against light, it is proof that the food contains fat. So we have gone through fat as well as protein. We will see some more slides ahead. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Thank you.